The Trade Tools exclusive Renegade Industrial 200 amp MIG and arc inverter welder gives you a medium-sized unit, but heavy-duty performance for a seriously better price. Compact and easy to transport, this unit is built to last while providing unreal performance. Complete with a genuine Binzel 3-meter hand torch, which are not generally found on machines in this price range, as well as a U and V roller and a Teflon liner for aluminium MIG welding. You also get the best of both worlds with the welder's capability to be used as an arc welder, with an included quality electrode holder and a heavy-duty 4-meter earthing cable with clamp. Don't be fooled by the unit's compact size, as it features an impressive 20% duty cycle at a maximum 200 amps. What this means is you get the advantage of a compact unit and the flexibility of MIG and arc welding without worrying about the machine not being able to handle your tasks. The inching button provides quick and efficient wire loading so you're not wasting time on the job, and it's super easy to change welding modes. The inbuilt cooling fan, high quality inverter technology, gas and gasless use, a genuine Binzel 3-meter hand torch, and the capacity to fit a 5kg MIG wire roll within the machine will make you second guess if you're reading the price right. Best selling for many years, the Renegade Industrial 200 amp MIG and arc welder gives you the best of both worlds with a compact design and unreal performance without breaking the bank. If you're still not convinced, read the reviews on the Trade Tools website. So don't waste any more time and race to your nearest Trade Tools store or online at tradetools.com to start those welding projects.